Hey guys, so I'm back and I have my, oh, this is so big, oh, Thred Up, my Thred Up Goody Box. This just came today. I was so excited because I got the email while I was at work that my box was here. I was so excited to come home and film. So this Thred Up Goody Box is a little different than the other ones that I've done. So the other ones I've done, I had a stylist just kind of pick out clothes that they thought matched my little style profile that I sent them. This is a little different. This one is the custom order one. So you can go on and order a custom box. So you can pick 10 pieces that you favorite on their app or their website. And as long as they're between $15 and $50, they'll toss the 10 items in a box for you. You get to pick the 10 items and they'll ship them to you for $10. And then you try them on just like the goodie box. So you try them on, you decide what you like, what you don't like, what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep. Your $10 goes towards anything that you do keep. You send everything that you don't want back, and that's it. I'm so excited about this box. So the only thing I've done is cut the tape, so I haven't actually opened it yet. So, and it's always nicely packaged in some tissue paper. So I tried to order a couple of everything. So I got a pair of pants. I think I got a dress. I think I got 2 tops, a couple pairs of shoes. I think I got a purse, a wallet, a necklace. I don't even know what else I got, but I'm excited. Alright, so the first thing on here is a purse. It's full of tissue paper. Let's see, I really like it though. Okay, so this is the purse. I actually didn't realize it's jean. It's like a jean material, but it's I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's Ralph by Ralph Lauren. There's this cute little shoulder bag, shoulder tote. It's really cute. I'm so excited already. It smells okay. I've been sick, as you guys know, so I can't really smell a whole lot. So, alright. I think this is the wallet that I ordered. Oh, I'm so excited about this box. Look at this, you guys. Look. I'm just so excited about the colors and the patterns and everything. And I know it's all stuff that I picked out myself, but still. Okay. This is kind of cute. It's just a wallet. It's in this, like, it's so hard to see in this light. Can you see back here? It's in a burgundy color. And this is by New York company. So it's just opens like that. It's cute. I like it. I need a new wallet. Maybe to go with my new purse. Okay, where to start? Let's go ahead and start here. So, alright, this top is by G, and it's in a size large. Oh, it's a little, looks like it's a bit of a high-low. It's blue and white stripes. I really like this detail with the lace detail. It's like a Henley style, so it's got like the buttons. And this is the back. I'm going to do a try on for you guys here in a little bit. That's cute. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is New York company, and it's also in a size large. This feels heavy. It's got like this almost like poppy flower pattern, but they're white. I don't know, we'll see. I think that might have looked better on the website, but we'll try it and see. This one is from Land's End. Oh, and this is a dress. This is really pretty. It's like this corally orange color. It looks really orange on this. But it's like a corally orange color with this red floral pattern on it. Very cute. Is this another dress? What is this? I don't even remember what I ordered, you guys. Oh, it's a faux wrap dress. That's why. I'm like, what is going on with this thing? Okay, this is by The Loft, and it's a faux wrap dress. So definitely try that one. I want the black and white. This is also by The Loft. It's just, I didn't really need a sweater, but just looked so comfortable. Like, it's this blush pink color. Really cute. This is in a size large. Very cute. I got a pair of jeans. These are by Soho New York Company. These are boot cut in size 12. These look brand new. They are brand new. Oh, retail $49.95. They're a dark wash. I'll definitely try those on. Here's my... Oh, and the shoes. Okay. These are cute. These are by The Loft, of course. Some little flats. These are in a size 9. They don't look too worn. Not really at all. Like, somebody might have worn them once. Very cute with these little cutouts. And then the last thing in here is another pair of shoes. Another pair of flats. And these are by Lucky Brand. These also don't look very worn at all. These are cute too. Just another pair of flats in this little, and like a beige color. They don't look very worn at all. Still has a sticker on the bottom. Alright you guys, I'm going to go try everything on. Okay guys, so now I'm back with a recap of everything. So I'm going to let you guys know what I like, what I don't like, what I'm sending back. So I'm going to start with the things that I don't like, and I've got my little invoice here. I have not looked at this, and I don't remember what the prices are of these things. So I'm going to start with the first thing, the Ann Taylor Loft, these black flats. They're really cute. They're too big for me. They were falling off of my foot. So the black flats were $28.99. So the estimated retail is $60, $28.99 for these. Yeah, they're definitely going to go back. That was, yeah, they just don't fit. Okay, and then this was the, find the brand on it, the New York Company top. And this was Women's New York and Company 3/4 sleeve, estimated retail $45, $15.99. That's a good deal, but it just, you know, this goes to show you that I don't even know my own style, because I'm like, it's just not my style, just not something that I would wear. I like the pattern on it, but yeah. And then the jeans, let's see, Women's New York and Company jeans, estimated retail $49, $16.99. Again, a great deal for these, but bootcut just is not me. It's too bunchy and baggy at the bottom, and they were a little too long anyway, so those will definitely go back. Okay, so now on to the items that I am considering keeping, depending on the price, depending on everything. So we'll start with these flats. So the Lucky brand flats, these were estimated retail $68, $28.99 for these. They're very cute. Not sure about those with that price. They are used, and to pay $30 for a pair of used flats, I can go to Target and pay the same amount for brand new. So, kind of doing that thing. Okay, so let's see, and the next thing that I thought was really cute, and this is like very casual, something I would wear probably just about every day, is this top by UMG, and the UMG 3/4 sleeve Henley, estimated retail $60, $21.99 for this one, but I could see myself wearing this just about every day, so that might be a keeper. Let's see, oh, the Ann Taylor Loft wrap dress, and it is literally just all wrapped in a pile now. So the wrap dress, let's see, where are you? Ann Taylor Loft casual dress, estimated retail $80, $23.99. While I think it is very cute, it is definitely not going to be a keeper. Let's see. The women's Ann Taylor Loft pullover sweater. This was so comfortable, you guys. It's very soft. I love this color, this rose gold sort of blush color. Estimated retail is $60, $16.99, you guys. So 17 bucks for that. That's definitely a keeper. That's how I'm definitely keeping that one. And then this dress, the women's Lands End casual dress. Estimated retail is $95, $32.99 for this. I don't know. Can you guys tell me what you think about this dress? It's so comfortable. It's very comfortable. And I think it's really cute. $32.99. I don't know. That's a maybe. I'm going to go maybe on that one. Okay. So the Women's New York and Company wallet. Estimated retail $30. $15.99 for this. It's cute. It is leather. I don't know. This might be a on the fence one too. It is very cute. I like it. I don't know about that one. And the very last thing is the women's Ralph by Ralph Lauren shoulder bag, $74, estimated retail $22.99 for this. This is so very cute. That's what I'm on the fence about too. I don't really need another bag, but I really want another bag. And I love these big shoulder kind of tote size bags. Yeah, so these are the items that I'm on the fence about. These ones, and then these two I am definitely keeping. So that is it, you guys, for my ThredUp Goody Box haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys want to use my referral link, I will leave it down below too. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and we will see you guys next time.